Sometimes you have a rainy day. Now, most people associate rainy days with being maybe a little sad, a little depressed. We're in a drought. I would be thrilled if it really rained like it looks like it's about to do. Think about other situations in your life where what maybe at one point was bad news would now be good news. Things change, things shift. What you need changes. Your reality changes. So, don't compare things and don't necessarily think good or bad. Try to think about, okay, that's what's happening. What's there for me to do? What's next?